So how do you upload all of your photos from iPhone to Google Drive? Let's explain that, right? So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so a few things that we need to talk about. Obviously, if you have the Google Drive application, you can open up any of the folders or places within it, and you can tap on the plus button like that, go to the upload file, choose photos and videos, and you can go to recents and basically you can select them all one by one manually. Depends on how many photos you have or whatever, right? So that might be useful. But this is probably not the best way to do this. So instead, if you have the Google Drive integrated within the Files application, so you can go to the Browse, click on the top right button, click on Edit, and make sure Google Drive is turned on. You have the ability to instead go to the Photos app directly, select the amount of photos you want, like perhaps even all of them, then click on Share and tap on Save to Files. And from the Files locations, you are going to pick the Google Drive, right? And you are going to be able to just select the areas in here and just save it right away. So you will upload it to Google Drive, but through the Files application, if that makes sense, right? So you don't do it through the Google Drive app, but you do it through the Files app. And that way you can do it a little bit like in a better way. But at the end of the day, if you want every single photo of yours to be saved with the Google servers, it's much better to instead use the Google Photos app compared to the Google Drive app, right? These are like different services, and Google Photos is designed to back up all of your photos, and it will work in the background. Like every single photo you capture will be uploaded to the Google Photos, and it's actually much better for backing up your pictures if you want to do that, right? If you specifically want to put them on the Google Drive, then you can use the method I've shown you at the beginning, but it's probably better to back up your photos to Google Photos, as that app has been designed specifically with that purpose, and it just works much better. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if we managed to set it up for yourself, right? Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and you're not going to miss anything important in the future. So do that, and I'll see you then.